All right, grade fours, I'm back. This is now meant to be week 2 of remote learning. I want you to look in your booklet. You're going to look for page 9. You're going to look for a clock. That rather looks quite suspect. I don't know why he's got the hands of the clock for a smile, but anyway, only the creator of this drawing knows what he was thinking. So, but what I do like about this drawing is that he's got this really cool, like, you guys are going to be okay. Don't worry, you know. It's all okay. You've got a good teacher. You're going to be fine. So, we're going to continue here, finding what these letter names are. And last week, remember, we actually did this part. Okay, so this will be on the one side anyway, so you can always go back to find what you need. Okay, so those are the grade 5 things. I'm doing grade 4 with you guys today. Here we go. It says, write the time signature and name the notes. Now, my darlings, the time signature is how many beats are there in a bar. So let's have a look how many beats there are. We know that these are all 1, 1, 1, 1. So if we add the ones together, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 crotchets in a bar. We know that this is 2 crotchet beats, and that's another 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Are you getting an idea of what the time signature is? Have a look. And here we got it 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 in that bar also says 4. So here we know that that note is a 3 count, and we add 1 to it. 3 plus 1 is 4. So that tells us in this whole line, the time signature, all time signatures for now is over 4. Okay? So it means there are 4 beats in a bar. The time signatures I'll be teaching you guys this year, it can only be 2 beats in a bar, 3 beats in a bar, 4 beats in a bar. Okay? You always have the 4 at the bottom. So these are the only ones you can choose from. And all you have to worry about is that top number. Okay? That top number, you find that top number by counting. Okay? So we know that this is 4, 4. Now let's see how many beats are in these bars here. We know that that one is 2 crotchets and 1. So 2 plus 1. So this bar is 3. Let's see how many crotchets are in this bar. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Oh, good. Are we getting a good idea of how many beats there are in a bar? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 beats in that bar. And this one? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 beats in that bar. And this one? Well, this note, the hollow note plus the dot is 3. That whole thing counts 3. So you would go ta, ah, ah. So, girls, that means that because every single bar on this line has 3 beats, we know we are going to choose that one there. Okay? It can't be 2 and it can't be 4. There's only 3 beats in a bar. So we're going to put that at the beginning. So you put the 3 in the first 2 lines and you put the 4 in the second 2 lines. Okay? Good. I'm sure you're getting that now. Now let's try and do the names. The letter names. Right. So we're going to use face to start off with for this whole line. It's going to make things much easier. So face. So we're going to only do the notes all in the spaces on this line for now. So this is the first space. So that one must also be an F because you can see they're the same. We're not going to worry about that one for now. Now, face. F-A. So that must be an A. Yeah, we're going with face again. F-A-C-E. So F-A-C. So that must be a C. Do you guys remember what I was telling you about the spaces and the lines? How do you work them out? Okay? So to work out what these notes are in the treble clef, we use the rhyme face. F-A-C-E. Okay, I'm just going over what we did last week. So that means you can now easily work out all the notes in the spaces, and that's all we're doing now. That one's on a line, so we're going to forget about that one for now. Do you remember we said that this one was C? Okay, you don't have to draw that one in. I'm just showing you. What is the next letter of the alphabet? It's D. So that is D. We've got another D there. That's on a line, so we're not going to worry about it. We've got another D there. Cool. Now, what is the note in the first space? We said it is F. So there it is there. That one's on a line. We're not going to worry about it now. Let's continue with the ones on the spaces. So F, A, C for face. So that's a C. F, A, C. That's another C. We're not worrying about those. Those are in the lines for now. We're going on only the spaces. Here we go. F, A. Because it's in the second space. Remember what I showed you? Second space is A. That one's on a line. Don't worry about it. This one is the first space, which I said is F. I'm kind of enjoying teaching you guys via video. I hope you're understanding it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and watch all the videos. There's really cool videos here. Tell all your family and friends to subscribe. The more the merrier. Right. Last note in the space is another F because it's the first space. There we go, girls. Now, let's move on to the rest of this because now we're going to do all the line notes. Okay, so let me help you with lines quickly. How many lines do we have on a stave? We have 5. Okay, so I'm now just going to put in a little blob on every line. And I'm going to remind you of the rhyme we use. Every, so that's an E. Good, that's a G. Boy, that's a B. Deserves, that's a D. Fruit, fudge, whatever you can think of is good. Okay, do you get that? Do you see? Sorry about the light and the shadows, but it's all good. I'm working at night. Just for you girls. You know I love you. Right, so now we've got to find out what is the second note. Okay, so how do we work on the one on the second line is every. Good. So that's a G. Yeah, baby. Excellent. Right, now, what number line is this note on? Every good boy. It's B. Let's keep going. This one's on the very first line, which means it's every, so it's an E. And here again, we've got another E. Easy peasy. Let's keep going. Now we're doing the next line. Okay, so the first one on a line is, what have we got? Every good boy. Okay, every good boy. There we are. It's a B. And thank you very much. We've got another B right next to it. Easy peasy. Okay, now every good. Okay. Easy and every. They've given us the first line and we've done the rest. So there we go. It's done. Okay, so I hope you understand time signatures, how many beats there are on a bar, and then the note names, letter names. That's what we've done there. Now, for the next bit, these guys want you to add stems. Now, the golden rule with adding a stem, that means a leg that goes up or goes down. Okay, is that now I'm just going to put my camera down and I hope it doesn't fall over. I just want to show you guys something. There are 5 lines on this stave. This line here, there's a middle line. Okay, I want you to look at it. Okay, you see it there. I'm going to just make it like super dark for you guys. And you can do that on yours too. Does it stand out? Yes, it does. All notes that go higher than this line, the leg goes down. All notes that are lower than this line, the leg goes up. So now, use a ruler to draw these lines if you have a shaky, if you can't draw a straight line. But otherwise, when you draw a line, you're going to give it like a leg like these. Okay, we're going to give it a stem. So it goes on this side of the note, and you're going to take it up about 3. Don't make it too short, don't make it too long. Okay, this one will go up as well. This one will go up. We're not anywhere near that line yet, but bam-o, we're now on that line. You see it? So now it's on the opposite side, and we're going to draw a line down. And that one, a line down. Awesome. Okay. Now, here again, they're going to ask you to do the same thing. Do the stems, okay? So these ones, wait, let's have a look. We're going to do that again here. Oopsie. Okay, but before we do that line, oopsie. Okay. We're going to draw the letter names. And this is quite easy because you're going to follow the alphabet. After C comes D, then E in the alphabet, then F in the alphabet, then G. Then what happens in music, after G, we go back to the beginning of the alphabet. A, then B, then C. So those are easy. Okay, good. Now, they're wanting us to draw stems here. Add a stem to every note and then write the counts. I'll show you how to do that. That's easy. Okay, so remember that's the line there. I don't know how clear it is, but if it's above, you draw the line down, and if it's below, you draw the leg up. So here we go. We're going up, okay, and up, and up. Not in the middle like that. That's very bad, okay? Naughty, naughty Mrs. Scott. Right, line up, line up. Now that one is above the line, so we're going to draw the leg on the opposite side and down. This one we're also going to draw on the opposite side and down. Now we want to go up again. Up, up, and up. Okay, got it, girls? Awesome. Okay, now let me do this line again for you guys without like, okay. You see, we want to make sure. Just do this here. Don't fall over. Oh, goodness gracious me. You know, this technology is freaking me out sometimes. Come on. Okay, but anyway, what I'm trying to do is draw a line there to show you guys that middle line is the important. Okay, is it standing still? Don't fall over. Great, okay. I'm still here. Girls, I'm still here. Oh! Okay, never mind. So much for that. But I did get the line in, so... Okay, if it's below, if it's on this line or below, the leg goes up, but now it's above the line. So we're putting the leg there, putting the leg there. This one is below, so the leg goes up, leg goes up, leg goes up. Oopsie, that was a bit long, eh? No, no, no. Naughty, naughty, Mrs. Scott. Right, let's keep going. Da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum. Still is below the line. Now we're going above. Naughty Mrs. Scott. Okay, this is also like a little bit horrible, okay? But you got to make them nice. Can you see I'm a very positive person? Because all my stems are pointing to the one side. If they were pointing like this way, it would mean I'm quite a negative person. But everything's going, you know, towards the beautiful sunrise or sunset that's happening outside. All right, so stay positive. Don't worry about Corona. Just stay positive and do more music. Right, okay, we almost finished with this lesson. One more to go. Okay, leg up, leg down, because that's the line we're looking at. Leg down, okay? Leg down, because this is the line we're looking at. That one will go down, this one will go up, and this one goes up, up, and up. Well done. Now, girls, last thing you have to do here is do the counting. Okay, so we're going to count as if there are 3 beats in a bar. Here we go. We got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is 1, 2. 1, 2. That one's 3. 1, 2. That one's 3. And we know this note counts 3. So 1, 2, 3. Good girls. Okay, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's telling us there are 4 beats in a bar over there. This one we know counts 3. 1, 2, 3. Then it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then this one is also telling us 4 beats in a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all for today.